Students of class 6, now exercise 11D. In this exercise we have to compare the given ratios. How to compare the given ratios? Simply multiply first numerator to second denominator and second numerator to first denominator. If this multiplication, this product is greater than this, then this number will be, means this ratio will be greater than this. So to suppose that to solve this question, this is 8 into 9 or 5 into 15. So this is 72 and 15 5 ja 75. Which is greater? This is greater. So in this product 75, numerator was there 5. It means this ratio will be greater. So this is the simply comparison. So in this question 1 part second I will solve with this part, you will solve by yourself. In this part I will solve question number 1 and 2. Let's start. Exercise 11D, question number 1, part 2. Part 2 is 3 upon 7 or 6 upon 13. Which ratio is greater? Simply 3 into 13 or 6 into 7. This is 13 3 ja 39 or 6 7 ja 42. 42 is greater than 39. So here 39 is less than 42. It means in this product of 42, which was the numerator 6 means 6 upon 13 is greater than 3 upon 7. This is the answer only. Question number 2, part 2. This is which ratio is smaller? Question number 2, which ratio is smaller? So 7 upon 15 or 15 upon 32. In this question, simply multiply 7 to 32 or 15 to 15. 7 2 ja 14. Carry 1. 7 3 ja 21 and 1 22 or 15 15 ja 225. This 225 is greater, means 224 is less than 225. In this 225, what was the numerator? 15 was the numerator there. It means 15 upon 32 is greater than 7 upon 15. This is the answer of this question. Question number 3. Third question. Increase 95 in the ratio 5 upon 8. Means 95 we have to increase in the ratio 5 upon 8. Decrease 275 in the ratio 7 upon 11. So in such type of question, if we have to increase the given value, so to increase the given value, we have to form the greater ratio. Greater ratio means numerator should be greater than denominator. Means simply we will multiply 95 by 8 upon 5 to increase. If we have to decrease this number, so our ratio will be there 5 upon 8 instead of 8 upon 5. Similarly, in this question, 275 decrease by in the ratio 11 ratio 7. So to decrease the number, simply we will multiply by 275 will be multiplied by 7 upon 11. To decrease, ratio will be smaller. To increase, ratio will be greater. So these are the same question. In the question number 5th and 6th, the 5th question is decrease 850 in this ratio. First of all, we will decrease the number. Then increase the result in the ratio 5 upon 9. Similarly, question number 6, 7, 8. These 4 questions are same. I'll solve question 5th in this question 3rd. Remaining 4, 6, 7, 8 you will solve by yourself. So now let's start question number 3. So now third question. This is increase 95 in the ratio 5 up ratio 8. So 95 increase in the ratio 5 ratio 8. We have to increase this value is simply 95 into 8 upon 5 equal to cancel 95 by 5, 5 1 ja 5, 4 is remain, 5 9 ja 45, means 19 5 ja 95 into 8. Now 19 8 ja 152. This is the answer. Question number fifth question is decrease 850 in the ratio 17 ratio 6, means 850 we have to decrease. So decreased value, first of all write decreased value equal to 850 multiplied by 6 upon 17. This value we have to decrease, so numerator should be less than the denominator, equal to 17 5 is 85, 17 5 is 85 and 0 into 6 means 5 6 is 3300. Now this is the resulted value. Then increase the result in the ratio 5 upon 9. So now increased result, increased value equal to, this is 300 and ratio was there 5 upon 9, so we have to increase the value. So simply make the ratio in the way that the numerator is greater than denominator. Cancel the number, 5 6 ja 30 and 0 multiply by 9, 69 ja 9 6 ja 54, so this is 540. This is the answer of this question. Similarly question 4 6 7 and 8 you will solve by yourself. And now remaining question number 9, ninth question. 9 and 10 both are the same question. The number 650 is decreased to 500. 650 is decreased to 500, means now the value was there 650, it has decreased to 500. In the ratio A ratio B, find out the value of A ratio B. Same to same the 10th question. The number 800 is increased just opposite from 9th. 800 increased to 960. 800 is the smaller value and it is increased to 960. In the ratio A ratio B, so we have to find out the value of A ratio B. So simply we will write 650 as numerator and 500 as denominator, because greater value has increased to smaller value. So question number 9, value are 650 and 500, means 650 decreased to 500. Then A ratio B equal to, cancel this number, this will be cancelled by 5 13 ja and 5 10 ja, then this will be 13 ratio 10. Simply this is the answer. Same to same question number 10, very simple question. This is 800 is increased, means A upon B equal to 800 upon this 960. 0 0 will be cancelled, both the numbers will be cancelled by 16 5 ja and 16 6 ja. This is 5 ratio 6. This is the answer of this question. So this is your complete solution of 11D. If you have any type of doubt in this exercise, watch the video 2-3 times. Your doubt will be cleared. If doubt is not clear, then write on the WhatsApp group. Doubt will be clear soon at the WhatsApp. Thank you.